In this video, we will discuss all the tools and supplies that a Stonetile craftsman, or rather craftsperson, needs to do his or her installation. You may already be familiar with most of these tools and supplies. For some installation, you may only need a few things, and for other installations, you may need all of them. Either way, we have displayed the tools here, and let's go over them now. Safety. First, we are looking at the safety glasses, earplugs, and dust mask. We recommend rubber palm gloves to protect against sharp edges. Steel-toed boots and a hard hat will be required on some job sites. Here is the cutting table with drop leaf. You will find a template on the Stonetile website. The drop leaf is positioned at a 45-degree angle. This drop leaf is almost essential for cutting the proper angles on moldings. The center hole is your handle, and it is used to hold moldings in place which require slots. You will see how to best use this table in other parts of the videos. A skill saw with diamond blade and grinder with 4-inch diamond cup. A good cordless screw gun is important. Tool pouch. Your tool pouch should be stocked with the following things: a measuring tape, tin snips, a pencil, a paint marker. The color green is best because it can be seen on tar paper and Tyvek paper with its red and blue printing on it. A screwdriver or chisel, utility knife with the break-off blades, pliers, 2.5-inch sash brush, the small and large palette knives for caulking, straight claw hammer, stapler, small torpedo level, bevel square, and chalk line. A 2 and 4 foot level, a Bosch hammer drill with a 3 1/16 bit we find works the best. A good quality caulking gun. You will regret if you go cheap here. Here we show you the corner stops, which are used for ensuring proper overhang on the end of a wall. Here you see a flat deck wheelbarrow for moving tiles around the job site. And that completes the tool list. Now, as for the supplies that you need the 1-inch number 8 flathead screws. These screws are for installing all tiles and moldings. You may need some 1.5-inch number 8 screws for sill shimming. These screws would be used when installing on concrete also. Of course, you would need the appropriate plastic inserts for doing that. The 3-inch number 8 screws are for sill installation. You may need 2-inch number 6 flathead screws, which have a smaller head and can be hidden under a caulking seam. Here we show perforated metal strips used for various applications, which we will touch on later. You can choose between tar paper or some of the other building papers. Metal flashing and J-channel is used at the top and bottom of the installation and around windows. The caulking choice is restricted to Tremco Dimonic. Other caulking materials have proven to be unsuitable. Here is the silica sand, which will make your joint appear to be mortar. The Bondo and hardener is not often needed, but it may come in handy, although Bondo is never to be used for cementing tiles into place. Think about your job and make an assessment of which tools you would actually need. If Stonetile installation is becoming your profession, you will need all these tools and supplies. Print the list off the Stonetile website and check off all the tools you need for your job, and make sure you have everything before you start. Otherwise, your installation will get very frustrating.